Hey guys, what's up? It's Reestav, so back with another video. And right now I'm not in my usual recording spot, but today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can get in the subscription area without having the subscribe button. So I'm going to show everything on screen, so let's get right into this. So over here is where the people you are subscribed to and the people you have as friends. So the people you have as friends are the people that you have added and they have you added back. And the people I'm subscribed to are the people that have public profiles, but because they have a public profile, they will appear in the subscriptions, as you can see. And whenever I click on manage my subscriptions, the people who have public profiles will appear there. And these people are my friends, so I sometimes get access to the account. Now, as we go into Reese tab, we will then see that my story right there, you can edit who views it by clicking on the three dots. It says everyone, my friends, are custom. What you want to click on is everyone, so everyone can view your story no matter if they're your friend or not, and people can send your story around. As you can see right here, when I go through my viewers, it shows my friends, and it will also show other viewers. Right there it says other viewers because those are people who are not my friends, people I have not added back. They are also considered subscribers, and that is how you get your subscribers. Now, how will you appear on the subscribe page? Well, once you do this, you will then appear on the subscribe page. But how are you supposed to get more people? And how are you supposed to appear on more subscribe pages? You want to add people back, send them a message for them to send your username around, and then remove them. And you'll then appear on their subscribe page and do the same thing for anyone that adds you. You can also do this with all the friends you have now by sending a message to people that you have added right now saying, hey, can you send my username around, and then remove them. That way you get more subscribers and you can also get your name spread around really fast. So that is how you can get on the subscribe page without having the subscribe button. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Share this with everyone. And if you want more little videos like this, let me know and I'll post about it.